What's up guys, welcome back to the series on this Q60S Infiniti. Now you guys saw on episode 1 and 2 where we washed the car, we prepped it, and we did a full paint correction, and now we're back. So now we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to protect it and keep it looking that way. So first things first, we're gonna have to go ahead and wipe down the surface with Wipeout. You guys saw in our last episode, Wipeout is a surface cleanser. So Wipeout's gonna go ahead and remove any kind of residual polishing oils, residue, compound, just to make sure that we eliminate anything that's on there that's gonna potentially mess with our bond. Wipeout is super easy to use. All you have to do is literally grab it, spray it onto a microfiber towel, and simply wipe down the surface of your vehicle, and that's gonna go ahead and decontaminate the surface to prep it for the coating of HydroCharge. So now on to the good stuff, HydroCharge. Now that we've taken all the time to properly clean, decontaminate, and correct the paint, it's time to apply our coating of HydroCharge, ceramic spray coating. Now this right here, it's a ceramic coating in a spray form. So it's not to be confused with the quick detailer. This is actually a spray ceramic coating that applies just like any other coating. So all you have to do is literally grab your bottle, spray directly onto a microfiber applicator, and you can spray about 2 sprays, and that will be enough to go ahead and coat an entire panel. All you want to do now is apply it in direct motions. So you don't want to go in a circular motion. You want to make sure to apply this product very evenly. So I recommend going left and right, up and down in a crosshatch motion until you get a nice even coat. And this is going to ensure that the coating applies evenly across the surface so that you get the best shine and durability along the entire vehicle. You apply it in a nice even layer, let it sit onto the surface from anywhere from 30 seconds up to 2 minutes, and wipe it right off, and you'll achieve that high gloss crystalline shine. Not only does it give your vehicle a deep, wet shine, but it also provides your paint with extremely durable paint protection from the UV rays, hydrophobic properties to prevent any kind of water from sticking and leaving water spots on your paint. And it does leave the paint super slick, so nothing bonds onto it, such as contaminants, dust, overspray. It's gonna make it very hard for those type of things to stick onto the surface of your paint just by applying a coat of HydroCharge. The reason we say to do a panel at a time is because HydroCharge has a relatively fast flash time. Once you've applied it, you'll start noticing it'll start hazing up, just kind of like a wax, and it'll also start kind of having like a rainbow effect to the paint. So you'll see like a spectrum of colors, and as little as 30 seconds and up to 2 minutes, it will flash, and you can go ahead and wipe it right off. Like you guys saw, HydroCharge is super easy and super fast to apply. So we're gonna go ahead and continue with the rest of the vehicle and be back with you guys once we're done. So we just finished coating the entire Q60S. Before you proceed to doing anything else to your paint, you wanna let the coating cure for anywhere from about 2 to 3 hours in a shaded environment and or in a garage kept environment. You want to make sure that no moisture gets on there, which can interfere with the bond. You want to make sure that the car stays in a relatively dry place. One great thing about HydroCharge is that it's layerable. So if you did want to go ahead and throw on a second coat, you would want to wait for the first coat of the HydroCharge to fully cure before following up with the second coat. By applying a second coat, it's going to go ahead and enhance the shine that you currently have on the vehicle, and it's also going to go ahead and prolong the durability of protection that's sitting on it. So now that our vehicle is coated, what do we do now? Well, right now you have the option of either maintaining it and just leaving it as is, but if you are that savvy detailer and you want to go ahead and get that extra shine and durability of protection, I would say follow it up with your favorite chemical guys glaze, sealant, or a wax. My favorite one to go with is VO7 High Gloss Liquid Wax. Now this right here, it's not your standard carnauba wax. It's actually a hybrid. So it makes it a sealant and a wax. The sealant is gonna go ahead and give you that durable protection such as the hydrophobic properties, the ultra slickness, and those UV protection properties. And it's also gonna enhance that warm carnauba shine of a regular carnauba wax. So this product right here is perfect to go ahead and throw as a sacrificial layer for your HydroCharge coating to enhance the shine and durability. You would apply it just like your regular standard carnauba cream wax, apply it onto a microfiber applicator or a foam applicator, or you can even apply it by machine with the finishing pad. All you want to do is apply a nice fine coat. This one you want to let it sit on the surface of your paint for about 15 minutes or up to 15 minutes, and then wipe it right off. So now that it's been about 15 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and grab my premium microfiber towel, and I'm simply going to go ahead and wipe off the coat of VO7, and check that out. It actually brought out a more deeper shine, even though that coating of HydroCharge is already on there. This is going to go ahead and reflect off of that ceramic coating so that it enhances the shine a lot more. All right guys, so now that we've finished laying the paint with our hybrid VO7 liquid wax, now we only have 6 more coatings left. I'm joking guys, that was a joke, that was a really bad joke. We're done, the paint is shining better than when it was new and it's protected. So what do we do now, you may ask? Well, now we're playing the maintenance game. We want to make sure that we utilize the proper steps, the proper chemicals, and the proper maintenance routine to make sure that this paint stays looking its best. So how do we do that? Now, one product I am going to go ahead and bring up is VO7. Not VO7 liquid wax, VO7 high gloss spray sealant. I love using this product as a maintenance because it's a hybrid product as well. But this one, it's a hybrid quick detailer and a spray sealant. So that's gonna go ahead and maintain your ride by picking up any kind of light dust, debris, fingerprints, bird poop, stuff like that. And also, while you're doing that, it's also laying down a light layer of synthetic sealant protection to maintain the shine and the durability of protection that's currently on your paint. VO7 is extremely easy to use. You can use this stuff in between washes, as a wash. You know, if your car is lightly dusty, you can actually just wipe it down with this, you know, bring it back to brand new. But if your car is on the dirtier side, I would recommend washing it instead. So what do I use to wash and maintain the look of my ride? Well, first things first, you don't want to use a dishwashing soap. What you want to use is HydroSuds. Now, HydroSuds, it's a ceramic car wash soap. So this goes perfectly hand in hand with our HydroCharge ceramic spray coating. Now, HydroSuds, like I said, it's a ceramic coating infused soap. So it has SiO2, which are pretty much the main ingredients in the ceramic coating, which is going to go ahead and boost the shine and boost the durability of the life of your coating. If you don't have your car coated, don't worry, it still works just as great. It's gonna leave a light layer of SiO2 protection and shine on your vehicle, even once you're done rinsing and drying off the ride. So there you guys have it. Those are some maintenance tools and techniques that you can go ahead and utilize by maintaining it with the quick detailers such as VO7 and HydroSuds ceramic car wash soap. So there you guys have it. The Q60S project is completely done. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you learned something new today and or you still have questions about something I may not have answered, make sure to leave them in the comment section down below. And as always, if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe so that you stay updated on our future videos. My name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys Detail Garage. We'll see you guys next time.